Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So guys, this is come somewhere with my friend and the Atlanta, so the first lesson of this year. You know, these are bush. As you know guys, Atlanta full of bush. Can't really get rid of it, people. Look at these bushy neighborhoods. Woo! The last time I did something like this was me and Crystal on the road. People, look at that thing. People ready for Halloween. Big Halloween something. Yeah, I need something bad for a Halloween party. I want to go to a Halloween party. I want to dress up like a clown. By the clown I am. Country of the clown. Yes, people. So, I got a video on my way back. Because I think I missed a lot of places. So, yeah.
Turn left onto Elkgate Drive, then turn left onto North Decatur Road.
Care about the big. It's such a thing that them actually have to use buildings in America for make.
Turn left onto North Decatur
You know.
Road.
So that is the Emory Police Station building for make car park because of no parking. You know.
Yeah, enough money for parking garage.
Yeah, the people don't have no parking.
Crazy.
Damn.
But when it's cool, in a better for night time, you have to stand up and wait for the bus and the bus.
Oh, that's the crazy part.
Yeah. Remember me used to park my car and walk with Sky and a stroller.
Whew.
In a cool. And then when time it's snow, the sidewalk, and then they kind of push the wall of the snow on the sidewalk.
Community look quiet and nice. You can say one nice neighborhood. Most time the neighborhood them are white people, they're normally nice.
Turn right onto Claremont Road.
And safe.
As soon as I reach, I start feel like something that they're Atlanta no more.
And safe.
Here white people.
And safe because you see police on the right there. You know? Safety is always good. Place a first corner place a world.
Turn
Watch out, is a train run under here, so? So McDonald's there.
Shit. One black man missing beer wine.
This remind me of when we did Texas the other day. And we go to one town and a beer white rotted people. A beer white people in a big bumbo. Guys, I'm not racist or nothing, but it's just that I've never seen nothing like this before since I live in America, in Atlanta, in Georgia.
You
Yo,
go to the white neighborhood.
you don't have no need to, you know.
Them say Michigan, and them say the water cool, so the temperature they drop. But them find our drum.
Welcome to Georgia, where you find a lot of trees. But if we did have an ocean close by Georgia, would have been cool in the summertime, the amount of tree we have. You understand? Because the breeze would have come off of the ocean. Right. That's why I love me some Miami. Because when you're in Miami, you get that nice breeze. That's nice, pretty breeze. So people, this is bush for you guys. So all of the things are foreign have bush. Foreign have bush, a lot of bush. A lot of people call called Georgia Country. Country. Country.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left
Look at
onto
that,
Commerce Drive.
guys. This is cute. Cute devil. Halloween. Decorating. Look at that crane up there.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn
I know why
left
them
onto
have
Commerce
flag
Drive.
set like that. Anyway. What a disrespectful to the flag. Why am I here have the flag upside down? Look at this one. The flag set upside down. You know that is disrespect? So I don't know what they're building here, but guys, look on the foundation. I'll be aboard. Could they? You see that,
Continue
guys?
for 4 miles.
That's board. That's the foundation. Plazas, some nice buildings.
I think it's
So yes, guys. Come on. North Candela. And there's a North Candela.
Yeah, Candela's or
You see?
sometime. I
Maybe
think
there's a
that
different
can
route
try-
where you
but
can
it-
use.
and then it depends on how far it go back.
Oh. Well, you know what you have to go do? Maybe when they come from work. Maybe when they come from work tomorrow. So it have a sheriff in front of us. Maybe when they come from work So yeah. We are bush people. First time me come to my place earlier. So you see it always have somewhere that you learn new. Thanks to my friend here. She made me learn somewhere else, guys. Yeah. We might call the word them bad, but we spell them correctly. That's the sad part about it. We don't miss. You know? You know when me go Trinidad go live and thing and them a say, but we don't call on a H.
Yeah. The age gone.
We say hammer. The hammer. We hammer. Supposed to be hammer. We not call it. But they Trinidad they used to laugh and them say, what the H there?
And them sing everything and them a laugh off away.
You see it? Yeah, so I realize, wow, some people put up them big dragon or something. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that be 10 minutes closer. Yeah. So, them local road are full of stoplight, man. Boy,
Yeah, every time.
you're bound to stop. Every minute you have to stop.
That means,
Why this man have film and out of do so?
you know, remind the typical taxi man.
Taxi man, me hate it. Me don't know how they hand no get lick off. God forbid, man. They will do better. By the highway there. I know the road I drive and enough time it have the broke down largely. Always call him all the broke down mall. The cab mall. no so my sister call if I be come here. Me they call him all long broke down mall till me go to the mall. Listen, you see the mall there? People don't really go there. It have some good store in there.
Yes, because I saw some like.
And this is a license office there. It have some real good store at that mall. And a lot of people don't go there. And they've
So
underestimated
how
it.
they make the money if people don't go there?
So clear.
I don't want to go Lennox, man.
Not me. Sorry. The next man will be a white people clothes.
Celebrity today.
Yeah, I be a rich people stuff today so. Like them so plain and too much money. Murder figure perimeter. Than Lena. Why? Somebody say daughter say they want Balenciaga shoes. I don't know why his daughter don't know how to spell Burlington. I want to go to Balenciaga. I don't know why my daughter spell Burlington wrong.
And that's it.
No, but I write something, but it's supposed to be a joke. You know? Yo, you get it now. We don't get it first time. We get it after.
Oh,
this is Atlanta for you guys. Why you spell Burlington rag? Why want Balenciaga? No, no, I post me see man. Me did not repost it.
To Wesley Chapel Road.
One thing with Atlanta, guys. Your yard they have parking. You don't have to reach your yard and look for parking. Where you gonna park?
Right?
You know? And we go straight across. We got my house. Hold on. Let me there.
Me know why you do it, me.
Yeah.
Me, let me drive.
In 1,000 feet, turn right after KFC on the right.
KFC.
Drive.
After KFC. Turn right after KFC. It's KFC there. Went into the turn.
Turn right.
Oh no, just make me know say a hair stand. I mean just to read the word. Me never read the word yet today. Jamaican people pronounce the Lord Jesus. No sir.
Comedian funny.
Whoa. You're a wicked man. We pronounce the word them wrong. That's why somebody picking them up. Don't.
I am going to be in my bed from 7 o'clock today. Really? 7.
You sleep with something over your eye?
No.
You know
I
something?
have it though.
Me can't sleep with nothing over my
It
face.
feels funny, right?
Me no want to wake up and walk me
I
eye.
know, I can't feel like you're working.
It me only bill.
Rich.
So I'm almost home to my bush. Bushy and bush. Guys, I had went on a drive out with one of my friend. You know, my female friend. Yeah, because she's starting to work at a new hospital. She's a nurse, you know. And we went to go see where it's at. So as you can see, guys, we were showing a little clip. And I am back at the shop. You know. I am back at the shop. I'm actually inside. It's a lot of rain outside, guys. You know, it's a lots and lots of rain outside. So guys, just a little view of Atlanta. You know? Not Atlanta. Well, downtown Atlanta, part of downtown Atlanta. So just please subscribe to my channel, and thanks to all of my new supporter. You know, congratulate myself on reaching the 2K. I hope the 2K has stick because the amount of time I reach and it drop off. Anyway, white team, I'm not play with them. Yeah, but I'm congratulating myself from now because I'm that website stay. You see me? And just big up everybody, you know. Big up everybody, go and bless upon yourself. You know. Thank you for supporting Life with Kurgudas. And guys, remember, tomorrow at 8:15 I will be having a truth or drink. Yeah, a truth or drink. I'm gonna put the link for the description of my truth or drink down below. Yeah, I'm gonna put it, you know. So guys, I want y'all to come. I want you to support me. I think I'm gonna get drunk this one though, instead of answer some of the questions them so I'm gonna come out. So let me see who can get me drunk tomorrow. I'm gonna see which one I know bad enough for get Kurgudas drunk. You understand? Because let me tell you something. Oh, once you can get me drunk, that means you're bad. So also I want you guys to check out my sister channel, which is Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Yes, guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. I want to check out our channel. Her link will be in the description box down below, and her link is in all of my description. So I want to check out our channel, you know, get her to 1K. So anyway, guys, bye guys, I'm out. I'm tired. Look, face bump up and stuff like that. Me and the hot weather don't agree. So thank God winter is back. I don't like winter. I don't like cold, which we're in falls, but this weather agree with me a lot. You know, so just want to go see my face clean up back and stuff like that. So big up on yourself, people.